EZRA nitafutia 1 bedroom spacious. EZRA nitafutia 2 bedroom hapo Barnabas na ikwe karibu na barabara. Folks, kama unataka kukaa mahali ambapo ukitoka tu hivi nje services ziko hapo, boga iko hapo, chemist iko hapo, maji iko hapo, gas iko hapo, like you just sit in the house and you make a call na vitu zinakuwa delivered kwa mlango yako, basi come to this apartment hapa Barnabas. 2 bedroom inatoka 18,000 na 1 bedroom ni 15,000 na bado kuna 1 bedroom ya 12,000. EZRA, mbona kuna variation ya prices namna hiyo? Wacha tuingie ndani ili nikuelezee vizuri. So folks, niko hapa Barnabas. Okay, the busy Barnabas. I told you one day this place is going to become a town and it is heading right there. So wacha tuingie kwa apartment tuangalie maneno yake. Haya, come. Perfect folks, so you come through that gate, alafu unaingia ndani namna hii. That is how the apartment is looking. Okay, the color too. Okay, rangi ambayo wamepiga pale, that which color is that? Jamani, nisaidieni tu hapo, nimekwama hapo kidogo. Anyway, I'm just saying it looks beautiful. Alright, and from there let's just go up and see some units. So I talked about 12,000, I talked about 15,000, and I talked about 18,000 for the 2 bedroom. So the 12,000 units are these ones on the ground floor. These are 1 bedroom units. Those are the units for 12,000 Kenya shillings. They are on the ground floor, and I think it is just, no, there are 3 of them, 4, 5, no, there are many actually. Okay, but this is 12,000, and they are doing some, you know, some work is still ongoing there. So especially some plumbing works. Okay, so there's a lot of dust on the floor, so let's just leave those ones. But the difference is they're just slightly smaller than the one for 15,000 Kenya shillings. So let's just go to the units of 15,000 Kenya shillings, the 1 bedroom. All right, let's go up. As we climb, I noticed that, you know, their staircase is nicely done with good tiles, you know, and even the paintwork, it's really nice, you know, it's not shouting, just neutral in a way, and yeah, looking good. Folks, niko hapa on 3rd floor of this apartment. You can look at the parking down there. Okay, so that's the parking, and of course I am on 3rd floor. There are 3 blocks here. So there's the block where I am standing, okay, this block, okay, and then there is that one on that side, and of course there is this other block. So we have 3 blocks here. Now let's check out the 1 bedroom, and then we'll check out the 2 bedroom. So this 1 bedroom is for 15,000 Kenya shillings. The other 2-bedroom for 12K, I'll tell you something about it, but let's start with this one. This is for 15,000 Kenya shillings. So as you come in, it is an open kitchen, okay? It is an open kitchen, and that's the kitchen on that side, totally open. And of course, you have, you know, the essentials that you need here, the gas cooker socket, and of course the wardrobes, you know, the cabinetry, sorry, rather, you know, they are at a very good height, okay? Good working height, that one. And of course, is there water? Oh yes, there is water. God said, let there be water. You know, some countertop space there, you know, for cutting kitunguu, etc, vitu kama hiyo, si ndio? And then that is the lounge on that side, okay? That is the lounge. That is your sitting room. And of course, the bedroom is on just, I'm inside the bedroom now, okay? This is a 1-bedroom apartment, and that is the bedroom, folks. And of course, it has a balcony. The bedroom has a balcony here. From here you can see, you know, the highway is just right there. The highway is just right there. You know, the highway is somewhere, you see? Exactly. The highway is just down there, and that's why I told you, this is a place where you can come even in the middle of the night. Can you imagine, folks? Even in the middle of the night, unashukishwa tu gari pale na unaingia kwa nyumba. Look at those wardrobes, you know, from top to bottom. I like it. Let's see the organization. Wonderful. Okay, it's good. You know, look at that organization. Wonderful. Aya, sasa nikifunga hivo, you know, that's the space. Okay, the bedroom, as a 5x6 is great for me. A 5x6 bed is great in this bedroom. Now, this apartment has got different designs of these units. Okay, so let's check out another unit, and you will see there is something different from it. Aya, sasa tuko hapa bado, and this door, okay, that's your toilet and shower. The shower head is right there. Hapa hakuna kuambiwa tunakuja na shower yako. Okay, the shower head is right there. Okay, so nikifunga namna hiyo, let's check out another unit. You will see there is a bit of difference in design of these units. Okay, let me go to that block. Utaona kuna tofauti kidogo. Perfect. Right, EZRA nataka 1-bedroom supu hapo Nakuru. Bas, ndoi hapa. Look at the kitchen, guys. You know, look at the kitchen on that side. You know, it's semi-open, and of course you can always come through this side if you want to access the kitchen. Vizuri. Look at the tiles. You know, classy, you know, and you know, the height of the cabinetry. Can you imagine? Really good working height. Short, tall people, both of them, they can access it with ease. And then there is a lot of water. Look at the kitchen tiles there, okay? The floor tiles, you know, along the kitchen tile hapo, really nice, okay? The wall tiles hapo kwa jikoni, that is. And okay, even on the lounge, you know, the floor tiles, bros, sisters, you know, really easy. Ni vile tuko na dust kidogo in a way, so haionekani poa vizuri hiyo white. Ni vile tuko na dust tu kidogo in a way, and that's why we want you to come to live here. We want you to come and live here so that this place can have life, you know, so that this place can have life. So from this corner again, that's how things are looking. All right. Haya, so tukikuja hii upande ingine, there's a sink there and a small mirror, okay? And then of course I like their toilet and bathroom is sharing. So opposite is where we have the bedroom. I like the size of the bedroom here. Just see all of that, you know, 2 single beds, so 2 4x6 beds, you know, will squeeze in here. Not even squeeze. Actually, they will leave some room. Okay. I like the way they have done their tiles from their wardrobes from top to bottom there. That's how it's looking. Okay. The tiles in the bedroom, namna hiyo. Let's check out how this place is organized. Let's check out the organization here. Okay, really cool. You know, it's nice. You know, that's good. Good partitioning there. Sindio? Bus. Haya, EZRA, 1 bedroom here, 15K. No, hapa na niko Barnabas. Folks, from here, the highway is just, you know, on your doorstep. You just get out of the apartment, and the highway is just on your doorstep there. Can you imagine? So hapo hata ukishukishwa saa 8 za usiku unaingia home mbio mbio. All right. Folks, inside the 2-bedroom unit, that's what we have in the lounge. Okay, it's a spacious lounge. Right? That door want to bang. Please don't bang. Alright, so that's how the lounge is looking from this corner. That's how the lounge is looking from this corner. 2-bedroom. And the kitchen, it's a closed kitchen here, not an open kitchen. However, there's another 2-bedroom with an open kitchen. So the designs are different in this apartment. Okay? Space down there again for additional storage, and yeah, so the far end is where we have the common toilet for the 2-bedroom. Okay, the toilet the same, the toilets are the same. I go back like this, and we have one of the bedrooms here. But great, that's one of the bedrooms, enough for a 5x6 bed. The wardrobes still, they run from top to bottom. Wonderful, you know, offering a lot of, you know, space for your clothes and etc. So the other bedroom is on this side. This bedroom has a balcony. This bedroom has a balcony, and I can just step out. There I am. Okay, that's the size of the balcony. That is a 3.5 feet wide. Okay, and yeah, that's the size of the room again. So here still I recommend a 5x6 bed. Still a 5x6 bed. I mean, when you are walking inside this unit, you just feel the simplicity of it. Okay, no sophisticated features. A very simple, you know, house, either the 1-bedroom or the 2-bedroom. You just feel a lot of simplicity with these units. Okay, so they have a number of options for you to choose from when it comes to design, whether you want open or closed kitchen. So you can always choose, do you want an open kitchen or a closed kitchen? Which block, that side, this side, or that side? Some units also don't have balconies, but others, they have balconies. So you have a lot of options to choose from. And then of course, I can always take you upstairs where we have the rooftop, and it is an accessible rooftop. Let's just get there and see what we have there. Sindio? Finally, behold the rooftop. So out here, I can see hanging lines. Okay, so they have done those provisions for you to put your hanging lines there, and you can do a lot of it. So there's a lot of rooftop space here. Okay, a lot of it actually, even on this side, you know. So apart from being a place for hanging your clothes, you can always come here and catch a cool breeze. And of course, there are those who do a cigar or something, whichever. I don't know if they allow that. But if they allow it, obviously it has to be from the rooftop. You know, you can't be doing that in the house. Ama jameni, kuna zile nyumba zenye unamanga unashangaa, kwani nani walikuwa wanaishi huku? Nyumba inanuka. But you know, I think that's because if you entertain some behaviors kama smoking huko kwa nyumba nini, so hata mtu anahama unashangaa nyumba, kwani kulikuwa aje? Folks, there is the highway and there is the beautiful Goodwill Plaza, looking awesome from up here. Wonderful stuff. Okay, folks, hiyo pande ionekani poa. Very good. So that's it from this apartment at Barnabas. It is right on the highway. Wale mnapenda kukaa kwa barabara, wale mnasema EZRA security kwa hiyo area, jameni, hapa ni place unashuka gari, unaingia kwa nyumba comfortably. Unaamka, unaingia kwa barabara, unasimamisha gari, unaenda town, unafanya mambo yako. If you are working from home, even perfect. Unakaa tu pale lazily, unaoda maji, unaoda chips, unaoda mayai, unaoda mboga. You know, it's a place, this is a wonderful place to stay actually. Okay, for either the 1 bedroom or the 2 bedroom, 15,000 and 18,000 for the 2 bedroom. So the 1 bedroom for 12,000 is on the ground floor, and it had some, you know, some trash, you know, out of some plumbing works that was going on there. So that's why I didn't shoot that one, but it is just a bit smaller than the 1 bedroom for 15,000 Kenya shillings. So hope you don't mind. Ukikuja tu hapa, if you're interested, just call me na nitakuleta hapa uenjoy. Si ndio hivyo? Very well. Haya, mpaka hapo, subscribe to EZRA ONDARA TV. Remember, when it comes to house hunting in Nakuru, EZRA ONDARA is the way, the truth, and the only way. That's it from me kutoka hapa Barnabas. Folks, one thing I love about Barnabas is the way it is vibrant. You know, like unatoka nje unaona kuna activity here and there. So that is one thing I love about Barnabas. What about you?